As you guys can see, I have an API output for this application, and when you see this, it's actually opening the first one, and when I try to open the second one, it crashes. You may think like, what went wrong, right? I was actually trying to think about the different possibilities. It could be a simple fix, but we will actually think about like all the more complicated solutions, but the solution could be very simple common one. So let me show you guys what I did to fix this. It could be different for you, but you can give it a try, right? In the postmaster, I was getting this result. If you see the first JSON file, it has a tag as an array, and for the second one, the tag is null. But the first one is opened, and when I try to open the second one, it crashed, right? Let's go back to the code and see. If you see this model, it's actually expecting the tag as an array, but for the second value, it was null, right? That means it's not the same thing that it was expecting, therefore it crashed. For this, what we can do is we can just make it nullable, because the second tag was null, but the application is expecting the array. By making that nullable, even though the data was not it was expecting, even though if it's null, it will still work. It's very simple, right? So what you can do is that you can just compare the result of the postman like from your API side, and also compare the value that you are expecting from your application. Just check for the null exception. I actually got confused about this and it took quite a bit of time to figure it out. So I just made this video for you guys. So if you guys are having similar problem like me, it could be helpful for you. And I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.